having personally wrestled with the persistent Wildrift black screen error in Bluestacks, and after countless hours testing various solutions, I've finally uncovered several effective approaches to conquer this frustrating problem, which I'm eager to share with you right now. This video provides the ultimate workaround to fix Wildrift black screen error after update 72 in Bluestacks. First, we look at Bluestacks settings. Sometimes the emulator just needs a little nudge in its internal setup. By changing how it draws graphics or giving it more computer power, you help Bluestacks talk better with your computer's parts. A game update might need new ways to show graphics, and adjusting these settings can fix communication problems, making the game appear correctly. Next, clearing Wildrift's app data is key. Apps store temporary files called cache and data. After an update, old files can clash with new game parts, causing a black screen glitch. Wiping these old files forces the game to load everything fresh and correctly, fixing display errors. Then, updating your computer's graphics driver is vital. This driver helps your computer's brain understand your graphics card. An old driver might not understand the new Wildrift update, leading to blank screens. A new driver makes sure everyone speaks the same language, letting your graphics card show the game properly. Finally, reinstalling Bluestacks and Wildrift can be a powerful solution. This cleans out any hidden bad files or conflicts that built up over time or during updates. It gives your game and emulator a fresh start, ensuring a smooth gaming experience from the ground up.